Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Alright, so for the November workshops, the venue in Chiang Mai City is near Chiang Mai University. Quite a few people are staying at the Nimhan Hayman Road area. I often will stay at Nanya Hotel, but it's because it's nice, it's air conditioned, got a pool and all those basics, and it's only $15 a night. So it's a pretty good deal. So depending on what your budget is, Nimhan Road has the full spectrum from very luxurious type of apartments all the way down to the more budget places. All right, so because I had a few people who thought it was being held at the retreat in November, and that's not the case. We don't have enough space at the retreat for accommodation for that. So it's being held in the city. Now, I've sent a pin out to all the people who have booked, but if you've booked in with me and I haven't sent you a pin to it, just let me know and I'll give you an exact location so you can book your accommodation nearby. There's also quite a few people that get Airbnbs and just share the Airbnb because they'll have 2 or 3 rooms. So those of you who want to do that, let me know and I can connect everyone. But most people have already booked their accommodation. There's just a few stragglers left that haven't. So I'm not sure how well that's going to work. Okay, well, thanks for your time and see you on the next video. Oh, we have some elephants have moved into the area. Well, I'm glad they've got handlers. The wild ones apparently are pretty rowdy. I do not want to get in the way of this guy. It may not end well for me. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, well, that's my excitement for the day. See you guys in the next video.